Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about HEIC files, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question. Keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you compress an HEIC file on your Mac for free? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to compress your HEIC file anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, sometimes when you're submitting photos or images, the receiver requires it to be under a certain file size. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Mac. This is not anything you need to download or pay for. This is free. It's already included on your Mac. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already pulled up an HEIC file right here. You can see sometimes HEIC files are listed as HEIF, basically the same thing. And you can see this one is 2.2 megabytes. So in order to compress this file, it's pretty easy. All you're going to do is right click on it and then click on quick actions and convert image. You see this pop up and you want to click format, make it HEIF, and image size. You're going to open this up. I generally don't do small just because it's going to be really small and most of the time it's not really legible. I'll usually start with large and then click here, convert to HEIF. So if you're wondering, HEIF and HEIC, it's basically the same thing. As you can see, this one is saved as HEIC, but over here on the file type on the computer, it says HEIF. So it dropped it from, let's see here, 2.2 megabytes down to 433 kilobytes. So it decreased by more than 75%. So if you want to see what these look like, the difference, let me go ahead and open both of them. Okay, you can see that the image quality hasn't really degraded much. You can still see a lot of the texture. So this on the left is the original, and then the one on the right is the HEIC that we compressed. So if you need it to be even smaller, you can go back and do the same thing, but choose medium instead of large. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to compress an HEIC file with your Mac for free, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.